Watch Sunday Ticket replays. In today's video, you are going to learn how to watch replays on NFL Sunday Ticket. So let's get started. You can watch previously aired NFL games on demand. You can watch ad-free condensed replays of all games available through NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube. To find beauty games, go to NFL channel page. You can also find the NFL channel page by searching NFL on YouTube TV. Open YouTube or YouTube television, type NFL in the search bar and go to official NFL channel page. Here, first wait until midnight because all games from NFL Sunday Ticket becomes available on demand at 12 a.m. Eastern after their air live. Now look for the beauty section where you will see replays of the games condensed to about 45 minutes with ads and downtime removed. Keep in mind these condensed replays are only available through the following Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. If you have YouTube television with NFL Sunday Ticket, you can use unlimited DVR storage to record games and watch the full replays anytime you want, not just until Wednesday. That's all. That's how you will be able to watch replays on NFL Sunday Ticket. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.